77 hearts beat.
Hey guys, welcome to Tech TV, and today we have with us the Redmi K20 Pro. I've been using it for the past 1 week, so I'm perfectly ready to give the full review. The back of the phone comes with a gradient back finish, which is really good, and on the bottom of the phone we have a USB Type-C port and a SIM card slot. On the top of the phone we have the headphone jack and the pop-up camera and the noise cancelling microphone. And towards the front we can see the fingerprint scanner, and unlocking the phone I will show you the pop-up camera which lights up in red in this red back flame red variant. And as soon as you get the phone in your hand, the first thing you need to do is to enable the system wide dark mode. This will save a ton of battery for you guys, and honestly speaking the white theme doesn't really look good, and it also gives a bit strain on your eyes as well. Onto the day-to-day tasks, the phone is really snappy and fast thanks to the Snapdragon 855 processor and the 6GB or the 8GB variant RAM that you can choose from. The variant that I am using right now is the 6GB 128GB model with the Snapdragon 855 processor. Everything that I throw at it does it without any issue. There is no lag whatsoever. I have been using it for the past 1.5 weeks and there has been no stutter at all, and the battery life is also really amazing. As you can see, this is the 6GB variant and it comes with the Snapdragon 855 processor, and to check the performance there is no better game than PUBG. So I'll be playing PUBG on this smartphone for the next 10 minutes. If you want to skip this you can do it, but as I was recording, the audio from the PUBG game didn't come out really well. My audio mic was not working perfectly, so I couldn't record the audio of this gameplay. I will be adding my own audio tracks to this gameplay so that you guys won't be bored if you are watching this. And to let you know that I'm playing this game on full HDR settings plus extreme frame rate settings, so this is the most ultra settings that you can play this game at in any device. Even the OnePlus doesn't support Ultra HD, so this is the best that any smartphone can do at this point. So let's see the gameplay and you guys enjoy the gameplay. And I am not that great at playing this game, so keep that in mind before watching this game. As you can see, there is no lag or whatsoever in this game, and I have maxed out the settings. It still looks pretty amazing to me. There is no lag, no stutter. It is giving complete 60 frames per second, and it is on a full HD AMOLED display. So, and the screen is one of its most highlighting parts of this smartphone. There is no notch, no punch holes, no interruptions while playing this game. It is a joy to play this game on this smartphone. The graphics looks amazing. There is no lag, nothing in this game. It is just perfect for PUBG. If you are a PUBG lover, you will enjoy playing PUBG on this game. But there was some issues that some YouTubers were saying about touchscreen issues, but I couldn't face any such issues in this unit. So this game runs perfectly smooth, and as you can see I just killed someone. So it is really good for PUBG and any other game that you want to play in this smartphone. So coming to the cameras on the Redmi K20 Pro has a triple camera setup on the back and a 20 megapixel front facing camera. The triple camera on the back offers a wide-angle camera, a telephoto camera and a normal 48 megapixel camera that's been seen in the OnePlus 7 Pro and most of the flagship that was released in 2019. The photos are well detailed, but the telephoto camera can be a bit tricky to use as it uses no image stabilization, so while shooting you have to keep a steady hand to get a good picture. These are some of the sample shots that were taken using the K20 Pro, which are not at all edited in any way. This is straight out of the camera. The portrait mode looks amazing. My friend's portrait that you just saw was taken using the Redmi K20 Pro. The selfies are really good, but there is an yellow tint to the selfies, but most of the girls will love this feature. So this is the video test that I wanted to show you. The screen is amazing. Let's see a video from MKBHD right now.
Redmi K20 Pro. Depending on who you are, you've either heard a ton of hype around this for a while now, or this is literally the first time you're ever hearing about it right now. I feel like this phone picks up right where the Pocophone left off. It's very similar to the Pocophone in more ways than one, but instead of just nailing a few key specs for a super low price, this.
So what do you guys think about this Redmi K20 Pro? It comes with amazing specs for the money. It comes with an amazing design, the glass back, and it screams quality everywhere. I enjoyed using this smartphone for the past 1 week. And for the price that we pay, that is around 28,000 for this smartphone, it is a bang for a buck, I would say. If you want to get this smartphone, I will suggest that you get it from Flipkart for the cheapest rates, and show some love by clicking the like button and subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next video, and I'll be doing a dedicated camera review of this smartphone soon, so stay tuned for that as well. I will do a Gcam review as well. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.